I just had a flat piece of metal. We marked where the lines were, first bend with the brake. Then Paul just hit the center part here with a flat head hammer, so it gave it a small bend. And now we went on the vise, on a huge vise, just to start this curve here. Keeping her straight as we go. So Paul is using a 1-inch diameter tube to form it to 1 1/8. Fine-tuning everything straight. Same thing for this guy on the channel, and then more hitting. Now I'm marking all the holes for the joystick, so I'm just using an angle bracket. Now using a zip cut to cut the bulk out of it. Of course, make sure you always use one of those. Lots of sparks. This is all been grounded, fits. Then this will be welded up and then cleaned up after. I'll also drill the hole for the pulley after and trim this after. So I've used a big washer that I've drilled out with a step drill. For the washer that is right here, that's the stopper for the going rearward. It's been marked, slip it in, weld. Okay, now I've made that piece of plastic so it could be reused as a jig to hold the washer straight while the welding gets done. A bit of grinding, cutting, grinding, cutting. Using the real tube as a jig and putting some sandpaper on it, I was able to adjust the angle. So these are neat to finish the edges so there's no burr. And so this is the result. It needs to be sent to the welder.